Well, good day. So we're talking to some loan officers and support staff today about LifeExpress. I'm talking with Sam Schaefer with Greenstone Financial. Sam, how do you bring up life insurance with our customers, and why do you think life insurance is important for our customers?
Thanks for having us, Doug. How I bring up life insurance to our customers is throughout the loan process. We'll talk to them about the fact that they're about to take out a loan, and it's a great opportunity and a good time in their life to review their life insurance needs. And I think it's very important for our customers to think about life insurance at this point in time because it can effectively replace that future income. So, of course, when we pass away, the family's income is usually reduced by quite a bit, and so life insurance can effectively replace that income. And certainly in the case of real estate, it can help the family pay off the debt instead of having to sell the property. So they get to keep the property for them and their family.
Well, I like to bring up LifeExpress with my customers when we talk about succession. Most farms, in most cases, most families are going to move the farm over to the next generation. And a lot of times life insurance plays a big role in that.
For sure, for sure. So why do you think life insurance is important for our customers to have?
I think life insurance in many cases is paramount because as the debt load grows with some of these operations, in order for them to pass it on to the next generation, they do have to use life insurance so that they don't saddle the next generation with so much debt that they can't operate.
Yeah.
How I bring up LifeExpress with a member is to start talking about their operation. I normally ask them questions like, what would happen to your farm if you passed away? Or how would your family keep the farm going after your death? These statements make them think about the future. Mm-hmm. We then get into the amount of debt and what their plans are. Who would take over the farm? How would the debt be serviced? Life insurance is a tough subject, but it's there for their loved ones and to keep the farm going for many years to come. Mm-hmm. And I also think life insurance is important for members so they can protect their loved ones. Life insurance gives the family choices by providing benefits to pay off debt, living expenses, and the ability to transition the farm to the next generation. I've seen both sides, and their existing lifestyle is a lot more manageable when they have enough life insurance to keep the farm going.
Basically, there's three reasons that I like to bring it up. The first one is when I'm taking their annual financial statements, we'll go down through the financial statement, and there's a place where you have cash value of life insurance. And that is a great window to go into term policies because you're always trying to figure out what's the difference between the two. And then you can go ahead and explore, well, how much coverage do you have to your debt? So you got an annual financial statement to give you an annual opportunity to bring that up. And that opens the door to a lot of great discussion. The second time that I like to go ahead and bring it up is actually during when we're looking at the whole loan request, the repayment part of that request. Sure. What happens if something happens to the key income generator of that operation? Mm-hmm. And that leads the door open to, well, what's your risk protection and what's your backup plan for the other members? Mm-hmm. So that's the second thing. And then the last part is when I'm closing the loan. That's a great time to have that discussion again when all parties are sitting there thinking, well, how are we going to pay this if something happens to you who's making this payment or has a repayment plan? So that's kind of the window of why or how I bring it up to our customers when I'm doing the LifeExpress.
Nice. So Mark, why do you think life insurance is important for our customers?
Well, it's simple. It's important to me. So I see the value for my own self. So that's why I can give it to them because it gives them peace of mind. You think about the farm operations, the size of the investment that they make, their whole livelihood has been wrapped up to make this. And then you get to the point where, what would happen if something would happen to them and they pass away? What would be the impact to them? And that's what the life insurance, puts the peace of mind for their entire family, their family operation, the succession planning, stuff like that.
How I bring up LifeExpress with customers is first by looking to see if there's a life insurance value inputted on their loan application. Whether they have life insurance or not, I can usually tailor my conversation with them about possibly receiving a quote. I tell them it wouldn't hurt to spend a little time to see what LifeExpress has to offer, especially since it's free and they shop for the best rates. I think life insurance is important for our customers because at Farm Credit, we want the best outcome in the event something tragic happens. I believe it's important to have your debts covered if your income is no longer there. I relate on a personal level with our borrowers at Farm Credit, and I know I would have peace of mind knowing my family's taken care